Today we'll be reviewing HeinOnline, which is a legal database used primarily by law students and legal professionals. HeinOnline provides access to law journals, legal treatises and commentaries, as well as primary sources published by the U.S. government. Examples of these are the Federal Register, the Code of Federal Regulations, and the U.S. Code. The database also contains copies of primary legal and governmental documents from the United Kingdom and Canada, as well as constitutions from countries around the world. As we could spend hours examining the collections and materials housed within this database, we are just going to focus on our review of a few of the features that Hein contains in order to demonstrate how to locate information on a particular court case or legal topic. Let's get started. HeinOnline can be accessed by using the University of Kentucky's database collection and by clicking through to the Databases tab and searching for HeinOnline there. The search results should bring up HeinOnline as the first result. Clicking through this link will either bring you directly to the database if you're on campus, or prompt you to log in if you are off campus. After logging in, you're presented with the main HeinOnline database page. At the top of the page are 5 tabs allowing for different entry or searching within the database. The first option is a full text search that allows for searching all of the subscribed collections or searching one collection at a time. The advanced search allows for inputting author names and title names as well as full search terms. The catalog search is a bit more restrictive, providing only 7 options in the general catalog search, but in the advanced search you can choose 3 of the options shown here: the publication title, author, ISSN, ISBN, and LCCN codes, as well as series, publisher, and subject. All these can be searched, all 3 at a time. Citation Navigator allows for searching using citations formatted in Blue Book format. Blue Book format is the standard form used for citing both law journal articles as well as court cases. If you are unsure of the citation of a particular journal, you can use the Find Blue Book citation option, and it will allow you to see the journal title name as well as the abbreviation to use when doing a Blue Book citation search through the Citation Navigator. Let's go back to the main page. The second to last option is the My Hein option, which is a way of collecting citations of journal articles for further review, downloading, and or printing, as well as creating alerts to additional citations to a particular journal article. And you can create an account by filling out this form, including your username, password, email address, as well as your first and last name. Here you can include the institution information, but that is optional. And then you can include your user type, as well as if you want to receive a promotional and or service information about Hein products, and register that way. the last option is the FastCase tab, which we'll be looking at in more detail. FastCase is a new addition to HeinOnline and provides access to court case opinions and decisions from state and federal courts within the United States. And we're just going to click into this and provide a citation to some entertaining case that happened about 15 years ago involving a Swedish band called Aqua, who had a song called Barbie Girl. Perhaps you're familiar with this particular song. It was a satirical look at the character of Barbie as well as Ken, and was a commentary on consumerism, treatment of women within society, that the parent company that owns the intellectual rights of Barbie did not look kindly on, and sued Aqua through their music publisher and label MCA Records, and through MCA Records their corporate parent Universal Music. And if you have the time, you should read the decision from Judge Kosinski, which is quite humorous. I'm scrolling through it right now. The first line is, if this were a sci-fi melodrama, it might be called Speechzilla meets Trademark Kong. So it's a quite an interesting read. I recommend looking at it in its entirety. The case was eventually dismissed, but the decision itself has been cited within 329 articles that are housed within Hein Law Journal articles. So at the top of this page, you can see there are three options of you can review the 329 articles, which we will do in a minute, as well as download a PDF of the opinion, of this decision rather, and then save the citation to my Hein for later review. As you scroll through the decision, you can see that some of the words are highlighted that allow for review of either further court citations, as well as citations to law journals as well. And we're going to take a look at a law journal article from the Yale Law Review, and we're just going to do a quick search to find it quickly, and we're just going to click on this link to bring us to the text of the Yale Law Review that was cited in this court decision. As you can see, Hein presents all of its legal publications, as well as treatises and commentaries and the like, in the form of PDFs that have been OCR scanned. That is, they have been scanned to provide search functionality within the PDFs, as well as editors, as well as I believe electronically. They have went through a good majority of the publications on Hein to add additional hyperlinking. At the top of this page, you'll see that this particular article has been cited 35 times within the articles that are housed within the Hein collection. It also contains the Blue Book citation for the article as well. So if you are going to cite this article within a paper, or if you're writing an article, you can use that citation within your footnotes or within a endnotes section of the or a table of authority, depending upon what type of writing you are endeavoring on. Below you'll see, like I stated earlier, links out to court cases. This is a U.S. Supreme Court case. There's also a citation to another law journal article in the Iowa Law Review, which you could click on, and that would bring you directly to the full text of that particular journal article, which allows for you to further, if those articles are relevant to your particular the nature of your research query, you can save those to My Hein or print them out or save them to your desktop as PDFs. Let's go back to the what's called the legal decision. Again, at the top of the page, this particular case has been cited 329 times. If you click on that link, it'll provide you with access to all of 329 articles that you can either, which are sorted by the number of times cited. And if you click on this particular article, you can choose to save or bookmark it, print it, or download it, depending upon how you like to review the particular article, or if you just want to review a portion of the article if the article is exceptionally long, or in the cases of statutes or treatises which are sometimes within the hundreds of pages. If you just want a particular section, you can choose to limit the page numbers to just the sections that you want before choosing to print or download. As you review these journal articles, you might come across interesting citations to articles that might be relevant to your search. This method of review of citations is called pearl growing, which allows for expansion of relevant material to assist in your search. Now, I hope that you have, let me just get back to the main page. I hope that you have found this overview useful and will encourage you to take advantage of Hein. And if the materials will be of use to you in your research, or if you just want to browse through its collections. If you have any questions on the other aspects of Hein's, the HeinOnline database not contained in this video, I'd encourage you to check out the help section included at the top of this, in the top right hand of the page, which contains additional training guides, screencasts, as well as an email and phone number to contact a support team directly. Thank you for your time.